I, a fan from Shanxi, watched our car renovation video and was convinced. I went to the secondhand market and spent 150,000 to get this Lexus 570, which originally cost 2 million when new. It has only driven 888,800 kilometers so far. The car broke down at 1,500 kilometers and they asked us to completely dismantle and refurbish it to a like-new condition. Let's first take a simple look at the car's condition. The chassis is rusty. The interior is damaged in many places. The rubber sleeves are aged and damaged. After a test drive, both the engine and transmission are not working well. It accelerates weakly and shifts gears roughly. Next, watch us spend a month bringing it back to its peak. And finally, we'll tell you how much it cost. But after dismantling, no wonder there was a strange smell inside the empty car. Proceed with cleaning and airing. The engine is covered in sludge on the outside. With this much mud inside the frame, can it not waste fuel? The bushings are like this, can it still drive comfortably? It's rusted into particles, and the screws are almost rusted through.
First, clean it thoroughly and see if the fuel consumption can be reduced after the repair.
Before cleaning, after cleaning.
Disassemble the exterior.
The chassis disassembly is complete, and all parts need to be polished.
All parts undergo laser rust removal.
Begin disassembling the engine.
It's all chicken legs going in.
After disassembling the engine, the cylinder wall has slight scratches.
All parts have been ultrasonically cleaned, the frame has been derusted, and the corroded base has been repaired, sprayed with diamond paint.
Accelerate efforts to replace gasoline in the morning.
The fleet is already very dirty.
Chassis refurbishment completed.
Updated.
The engine is ready. Now let's start fine-tuning to restore the power of a new car.
The transmission disassembly is complete, and all the parts inside the car shell have been removed. The silver car paint is not satisfactory, so it is decided to change the color to pearl black. The entire car is cleaned thoroughly and then taken into the paint booth for a new coat.
Okay, repaint the painted bolts.
Function test.
All bayonet screws are original, no self-tapping screws.
Look at this paint finish.
This last car also cost 120,000. Do you think it's worth it?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.